Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add color panels or color boxes in your WordPress blog posts. So here you can see this is my demo website. Let me go in the dashboard, and after that now here I can show you I have some blog posts. So now I want to add a color box in this blog post. How I can do that? Let me go back in the dashboard, then install a plugin. Search for color panels, and here you can see these are the color panels and info boxes. Simply install the plugin, and after that activate it. So now here you can see in the dashboard menu, just we can see all the color box. So still there is no color box. Simply click here and then add a new box. And here you can see page is loading. After that you can give title, for example website info. Then scroll down and here give a title, for example website link. Then here we can give title website link to. And here you can add your description. For example, just I can add some links here. And then here you can see there are some options. Display the icon. Then scroll down, you can add here more and more color boxes. And then on the right side, display box section title. So if you want to display, just you can keep it yes. Then scroll down and here you can see there are different styles. Then after that simply click here publish. So now let's go back in the blog post. And here you can select the design layout, 2-column layout, 1 column, and many more. So now let me go back and edit this blog post. Then scroll down, and here I want to add color panels. So let me add some gap. So guys, now I need a shortcode for the color boxes. Let me go back in the color panels, scroll down, and here you can see a shortcode. Just I can copy it. Then let me go back in the blog post, and after that here I can add it. Then update the blog post, and after that reload the page. Then scroll down and here you can see there are 2 color boxes added.